Hair loss happens naturally and can affect anyone. On average, people lose between 50 to 100 hairs every day. With more than 100,000 hair follicles on your head, this usually isn't noticeable since new hair continues to grow back. However, for some people, hair loss can happen more rapidly, depending on the cause. In certain cases, it may even become permanent. While hair loss itself may not harm your physical health, the emotional impact can be significant. That's why in this video, we'll be sharing 10 viral remedies for hair growth that actually work. Number 10. Lemon oil. Lemon oil is believed to help maintain a healthy scalp and encourage hair growth. It contains natural compounds that support scalp health and may promote new growth. To use it, apply fresh lemon juice to your scalp and hair about 15 minutes before shampooing. Alternatively, you can mix a few drops of lemon essential oil with a carrier oil and use it as a nourishing hair mask. Number 9. Geranium oil. Geranium oil is derived from the leaves of the geranium plant and is known to boost circulation while promoting hair growth. Mix 3 drops of geranium oil with 8 drops of a carrier oil and apply it directly to your scalp. You can also add a few drops to your shampoo or conditioner for regular use. Number 8. Rosemary oil. Rosemary oil is a powerful natural remedy, often compared to conventional hair treatments. It may stimulate new growth and help prevent thinning. Mix a few drops with a carrier oil like argan or jojoba oil and massage it into your scalp several times per week. You can also add it to your shampoo or conditioner for daily use. Always dilute essential oils before applying them directly to the skin. Number 7. Onion juice. Onion juice may not smell pleasant, but it is packed with compounds that support circulation and stimulate hair follicles. Some people use it to treat patchy hair loss and improve hair density. To try it, blend a few onions, extract the juice, and apply it to your scalp. Leave it on for at least 15 minutes before shampooing thoroughly. Number 6. Ginseng. Ginseng supplements are known for their ability to stimulate hair follicles and support growth. The active compounds in ginseng are thought to strengthen the roots and improve overall scalp health. Always follow recommended dosages and check for possible side effects before use. Number 5. Fish oil. Fish oil supplements are rich in proteins and omega-3 fatty acids, which help improve hair thickness and strength. They may also reduce inflammation and support a healthier scalp environment, which encourages growth. Before starting supplements, consult a healthcare professional and follow the recommended dosage. Number 4. Viviscal. Viviscal is a natural supplement designed to promote hair growth in people with thinning hair. It contains a blend of marine extracts, vitamins, and minerals that may nourish the scalp, regenerate new cells, and strengthen existing strands. For best results, it needs to be taken consistently for several months. Number 3. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is rich in fatty acids that penetrate deep into the hair shaft, reducing protein loss and strengthening hair. It can also improve scalp health by balancing the natural microbiome. Depending on your hair type, you can use coconut oil before washing as a treatment or as a leave-in conditioner for dry hair. Massage it into your scalp and hair for deep nourishment. Number 2. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has long been used to soothe the scalp, reduce dandruff, and unblock hair follicles. It also conditions the hair, leaving it softer and healthier. You can apply pure aloe vera gel directly to your scalp several times per week, or choose shampoos and conditioners that contain aloe vera. Number 1. Massage. Scalp massage is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to boost circulation and encourage new growth. Massaging stretches the scalp and stimulates the cells at the base of the follicles, which play a key role in hair development. Daily scalp massages not only improve thickness, but can also relieve stress and tension, both of which may contribute to hair loss. If you're losing more hair than usual, and it's accompanied by symptoms like fatigue, itching, mood changes, or anxiety, it's best to consult a healthcare professional. Depending on the cause, they may recommend specialized shampoos, supplements, prescription medications, or even advanced treatments such as hair transplants. So that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to The Tasty Truth for more natural remedies and tips for a healthier life.